What is going on? Santa!
This isn't supposed to happen. This is not supposed to happen. You guys are supposed to be asleep.
Spencer, you're sleeping.
It's good, bad enough we got Thomas. Now mamas and daddies are awake too.
I heard
What are we
Thomas.
gonna do?
You were quiet. You're perfect.
Oh my.
I can't get him up.
Spencer, just open your eyes.
Just open your eyes, bud.
Spencer.
Open your eyes.
Oh
It's
my.
Santa magic.
Turn your head.
Spencer. Look.
Merry Christmas, Spencer. Spencer.
Oh, Santa, thank you.
He's sleeping. You guys are supposed to be sleeping.
Go to sleep.
Thomas. Well,
You want to
Thomas,
say anything?
I don't know. You've got to go to sleep. Maybe Santa will come back with more presents.
Okay.
Spencer. Merry Christmas.
Spencer.
Merry Christmas, Spencer.
Oh, poor kid.
Oh,
Just
Thomas.
couldn't make it.
Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas. Nice to see you, Santa.
I've been wanting to hug Santa my whole life.
And this is Timmy.
Hi,
Merry
Timmy.
Christmas, Santa.
Oh, you have grown up a lot since you said, you used to pull Santa's beard.
I was a beard puller. I'm sorry.
I bet you pull Santa's beard too once in a while. Nope.
Nope.
Okay.
Perfect.
Have some
Well,
cookies.
you all have a very Merry
This is your
Christmas.
Santa.
Oh,
Thank you.
well, thank you very much. Which one should I take?
Santa. No, love.
It says Santa.
Take the heart?
Okay.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Santa.
Christmas.
Bye, Santa.